figure the problem out, so we're doing this thing all over again. Okay, here we go. This is just for show and tell purposes. I'm gonna put it on an SSD, the Integral Edition of XP, which I like to use because it works right. Noise wasn't the fan at all. This is a stupid adapter. The eMachines button on the keyboard for this. It's for the wireless. Yep, graphics ready to go. Haha. Never had an experience like this before. Now here's my tripod. I'll set that up when the music starts. Just made a weird noise when womp womp. Got the OEM branding. Let's begin. It is Central Time. Chavez family computer, David's game machine. A bad allergy day. Good, I don't want you to hack my network or anything. Nope, it's probably not even possible. Could try. Never seen this. Oh wow. 3 months of AOL is included with your eMachines PC. Not gonna do that. Here we go. Right speaker seems kind of quiet. Not sure why. And I just messed it up. Oh well, I've heard that sound a million times anyway. Norton Antivirus 2004, CompuServe 7, AOL 9. We have the eMachines features thing right here. Yeah. This is awesome. What is that? BigFix. Remarkable program that can intelligently detect and correct all kinds of Yeah, let's get rid of that. Get rid of that. Nope. 2001. There it is. Check it out. I'm gonna leave it alone too. I'm just because I'm gonna put an integral edition on an SSD.
I'm trying to find the. Hey, look at that.
This is cool.
I want to send super light CD.
Like I said, I'll upload all this to archive.
How?
We are gonna call this number. eMachines quit in 2013. Okay. And speaker.
Hello, and please listen carefully as our menu options may have changed. Calls are recorded for quality assurance. We're very excited to tell you about a special promotion for select callers. This will only take a moment. By answering just a few questions, we will find out if this offer is right for you. Are you or is someone in your household 50 years of age or older?
Right.
Press 1.
Well, that number is nothing Acer related. Oh well. Let's get our icons here. Any other special wallpapers? eMachines 32. Oh, look at that. Classic. Huh. Nice. Nice. Let's hit the music button. Can you guess what it opens? Windows Media Player 9. I accept. We got MSN Encarts Plus, Microsoft Works, Microsoft Money, Netscape 6.2, PowerDVD, Adobe Acrobat Reader 5. ICQ. What's that? Might be 25, but I don't know what the hell this stuff is. Never heard of it. Interesting. Let's open up Encarts Plus. Zoom out too. Actually, no. See if we can connect to the internet. Oh wow, this is old. Guaranteed this doesn't work anymore. Can't even get it to work on SB2. Yeah, it's weird. Welcome, I accept your outdated agreement. Complimentary 90-day subscription.
I tried
Would you shut up?
plugging my break audio part that said this thing and this thing right here, what the fuck going on? This.
It's not for that, dummy.
Well, I need
Get out of here. Urgent attention, even though you're not connected to the internet. Device manager. 1.44 gigahertz. It's plugged in, so that's weird. Seems pretty fast. CompuServe. Let's bask in the glory of this. Let's go to AOL. There's really nothing cool to look at. I'll see eMachines features. Call eMachines. We tried to, but I don't know what the hell it was. Yes, even by default, it's multiple monitors. 32 megabytes. Up to 64. 992 megabytes. Plus 16. Or 32, or whatever I just said. Anyway, that's it. Shut her down. Okay, we missed something. It's got RealPlayer 8. And here's where you could get it. So yeah, this is for this video. See you later.